Hello children, I hope that all of you are enjoying watching these videos. I'm Miss Jasneet, your English teacher. In the previous videos, we had studied that there are three forms of verbs: present tense, past tense, and past participle. Present tense denotes an action that is happening at the moment. Past tense means an action that has happened sometime in the past. In this video, we are going to understand past participle form of the verb. So stay tuned till the end. Past participle is a form of verb that describes an action that has already happened in the past. Now, children, looking at past participle and understanding what past participle form of the verb is, I'm sure you would have a question in your mind. What is the difference between simple past and past participle form of the verb? Children, simple past tense is used without a helping verb, whereas past participle form of verb is only used with a helping verb such as has, have, had, was, and were. Let us understand this difference between past tense and past participle form of verb through some examples. I ate a sandwich for breakfast. This sentence is in past tense. But however, if we want to say something similar using the past participle form of the verb, the sentence could be I had eaten a sandwich for breakfast. This sentence is in past participle form, as we have used the helping verb had along with the third form of the verb eat, that is eaten. Let us look at few more examples in past tense. My mother baked a cake yesterday. Lata sang a song in the auditorium. I forgot to do my homework. Now, children, when you look at these sentences, the verbs baked, sang, and forgot are past form of the verbs, and so the sentence is in past tense. Now let us look at similar examples where past participle form of the verb is used. The cookies were baked fresh this morning. The song was sung well by the star. I have forgotten my homework. Children, all these sentences where past participle form of verb is used, they have a helping verb such as had, were, was, and have, followed by the third form of the verb like baked, sung, forgotten. Now, let us look at few verbs where past and the past participle form of the verbs are same. That is, V2 and V3 are same. So, when you look at the table and if you notice the column on past tense and the column of past participle, you would notice that both these verbs are same. So, let us go through these verbs that are same. For example, walk in the present tense changes to walked in the past tense, and in past participle too it is walked. Similarly, sleep changes to slept, and in past participle also it is slept. Learn will change to learned in the past tense, and past participle form of the verb will also be learned. Similarly, say will change to said in the past tense, and past participle will also be said. Play will change to played in the past tense, and past participle will also be played. So in all these verbs, the past tense and past participle form are same. There are some verbs in which the past and the past participle form are different. That is, they are not same. For example, eat, ate, eaten, drink, drank, drunk, sing, sang, sung, break, broke, broken, write, wrote, written. So if you all notice, here the past tense and the past participle form are different. So as a result, all the three verbs are different in form. Eat changes to ate and eaten in the past participle. Drink will change to drank in past tense and drunk in past participle. Sing will change to sang in past tense and the past participle form will be sung. Similarly, break, which is in present tense, will change to broke in past tense and the past participle form of the verb will be broken. And similarly, write will change to wrote and written. However, there are few verbs which do not follow any rule. For example, go changes to went in the past tense and the past participle form is gone. Similarly, choose will change to chose and chosen in the past participle. See will change to saw in the past tense and seen in past participle. Take will change to took and taken. Forget changes to forgot and forgotten. As we have done all the three forms of verbs, that is past tense, present tense, and past participle, I want all of you to learn all the three forms of verbs of the following verbs. Walk will change to walked in the past tense, and the past participle will also be walked. Similarly, sleep will be slept, slept. Learn will be learnt, learnt. Say will be said, said. Play will be played, played. Eat will be ate, eaten. Drink will be drank, drunk. Break will be broke, broken. Write will be wrote, written. Go will be went, gone. Choose will be chose and chosen. See will be saw and seen. Take will be took and taken. Forget will be forgot, forgotten. Stand will be stood and stood. Drive will be drove and driven. Give will be gave and given. Built will be built and built. After learning all the three forms of verb, children, I want you to do page 20 of your CFS. Thank you, children.